Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to get Digimon Survived PS4 prompts working on the PC version. Basically, it's going to be very simple. Once again, I will leave a link in the description for my config file. You'll simply copy and paste it into the main directory of the game and launch it. I'll leave this folder in the description down below for you guys to copy. We'll simply copy it. It's as simple as this, and you'll look for wherever you have your Digimon Survive folder. We're going to click paste. That's not what I meant. We're going to click paste. There you go. Good, so it's Digimon Survive data, and we're simply going to launch the game. Once we do that, the game will prompt up and show you the PS4 prompts. I'll let you see them firsthand before we end the video. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Pretty simple stuff. Just showing you guys how to get some quality of life stuff working if you guys are curious. But that's about it for me. Once again, I'll see you guys next time. Seriously, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out on the channel, man. I forgot how long it takes, especially considering I'm using low-end hardware right now. My bad. My bad. I've made a mistake. I've made a tactical error here. As you can see down below now, it is using the PS4 prompts. I'll see you guys next time.